The Compendium of Abhidharma states, "What is sluggishness? Being a type of bewilderment, it makes the mind unworkable. Its function is to assist all the mental afflictions and the secondary mental afflictions." The Treasury of Abhidharma says, "Sluggishness is physical heaviness and mental heaviness. It is the unworkability of body and the unworkability of mind. When there is sluggishness, both body and mind are heavy and useless." Dullness and sluggishness are considered to be concordant types, and dullness is not mentioned separately. However, the middle stages of meditation says, "Know your mind cannot see object clearly, feeling as if it is blind, is immersed in darkness, or your eyes are shut. That is dullness." Dullness is slightly different from sluggishness, since dullness is when physical or mental lethargy cause the clarity of the object to become lax.